In this video, I'll show you how to create quote templates in Zoho CRM. Alright, so here we are on the home screen, and what we're going to do is go to the setup cog on the bottom left hand corner. Now what we want to do from there is go to the customization section and click on templates. Now we'll go over to inventory, and then we're going to create a new template. So just make sure it's on quotes and click on next. Now from inside here, we'll be given a bunch of different templates that we can start off with. I'll just choose flatline over here. And what we can do is we can fully edit any of this information. So we can click in them, delete things, add new text, and so forth. We have a few components that we can just drag and drop in, like backgrounds, images, spaces, text, and so forth. But of course, that will be fully up to you. So once you are done editing, what you want to do is enter a template name. Without doing that, you won't be able to save. From there, we're going to click on the save icon and save now. Then you want to select your save folder. So we'll make it public templates and just hit save. And there you go. You have officially created a quote template. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.